Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Solano.
Okay, today we are going to build or use models to find the volume of a rectangular prism. Amen?
Amen.
So we're working on volume, guys. Now I'm going to take, before we begin, I'm going to talk about a couple of words, vocabulary words. I'm going to pick this guy up. And this guy right here has a name. It is called something. What is this called, Melody?
A unit cube?
A unit cube, just like Melody is Melody cube. It's a Melody cube if she was a cube, right? And then Alicia cube, and Caitlin cube, and Gabriel cube, right? Amen?
Mm-hmm.
I'd be Mr. Solano cube. Now, if we were measurements to measure something, measuring volume, what would this be called? Ava.
A cubic unit.
A cubic unit. Now, this would be a cubic unit if we were using it to measure something. Amen?
Amen.
Now, before I define what a volume is, we're going to build something and then talk about, We're going to talk about it, and then we're going to find the volume for it. Amen? Thank you, good. Now check this out right here. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put these bad boys here, and then together we have a cube. Is that correct, class?
Yes.
Is it a cube?
No.
No. Why isn't it a cube? You sure?
Because it's flat.
It has flat sides, but is it even all equal on all sides? No. Because it's not equal on all sides, it becomes a rectangular prism. Big fat amen?
Amen.
Now check this out. What is the length of this rectangular prism? The length. Yes, Melody?
2.
2. Remember, the length is
Front to back. Front to back. Front to back.
Stop, class. What is the width of this? Yes?
2.
2. What? Can you guys tell me what the width is again?
How fat it is. How fat it is. How fat it is.
Okay, now what is the height of this? Gabe.
Top to bottom.
Everyone together, go.
Top to bottom. Top to bottom. Top to bottom.
Now, of this rectangular prism, Gabe, what is the height of it?
1 cubic unit.
Okay, so it's 1 cubic unit. Very good. I like how you said unit. Okay, it's 1 unit for the height. Amen. Now, how many cubes did we use to make this rectangular prism? Caitlin?
4 cubic units.
4. We used 4 cubes, right? Now, if I made an invisible roof, invisible walls, an invisible foundation, floor, how much units or how many is inside of it? How many can fit in it? Also known as starts with the letter V. 1, 2, everyone tell me go.
Volume.
What is the volume of this? Someone tell me. Actually, I want everyone to tell me at the same time. 1, 2, ready, go.
4.
4. Oh, perfect and beautiful and wonderful. Listen, for this exercise, we are going to use practice on page 951, okay? Here goes layer 1. Here goes layer 2. And it says layer 1, what is the length of it? Front to back. How many is it? Gabriel.
4 cubic units.
Oh, 4. Uh-oh, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Class, what is the width of it?
5.
Gabriella.
4.
4. The width is 4. Now, class,
Yes.
tell me what is the height of it? Melody.
1.
1. Layer 1 has length of 4. Width is 4 centimeters. The height is 1 centimeter. So the total of cubes inside of layer 1 would be how many? Alicia?
16.
16. Let's look at layer number 2. It has 4 lengths, 4 width, 1 centimeter height, and the number of cubes used is How many, class? 1, 2, ready, go.
16.
16. So you guys are going to fill in that table. Amen?
Amen.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack these 2 layers up, one on top of the other.
Whoa, it's so cool.
So a rectangular prism, the volume does not have gaps or overlap. Now, this whole rectangular prism, how many cubes are in here? Yes?
32.
There are 32. What is the volume? Now we have to finish up. We have to put units at the end of it. Yes?
32 centimeters. 32 cube. 32 centimeters.
Almost. What is it, class? On the count of 3, 1, 2, ready, go.
32 cubic units.
Okay, so I'm not going to put in the word because you guys are going to cheat, but I want you all to say hi to your moms and your dads. Go.
Hi. Hi, Mommy, Daddy.
Aw, how adorable.
Hi, Mommy.
Okay.
Down there.
Say hi.
Come on, Minnie.
Coach, say hi to your mom and dad.
So,
Coachy, everyone say coachy, coachy, coach.
Hi, Coach.